Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the area, clean and dry to reduce slipping and irritation. Take a 24 to 30-inch cotton thread and tie the ends into a 4 to 6-inch loop. This gives you manageable tension. Hold the loop with both middle fingers and twist the center 8 to 12 times until a tight X forms. Once done, position the twisted section over the hairline so it pinches and traps hairs when you open and close your fingers. This is how you control which hairs to remove. You now focus on motion and aim. Open your outer fingers while closing the inner pair so the twisted segment rolls like a tiny comb, catching hairs and plucking them at the root. Make sure to pinch the skin lightly with your free hand to flatten the surface and reduce pain. Stretching helps the thread grab straight. Work small sections, moving from the inner brow toward the tail in short, controlled passes, and pause to check symmetry and adjust angle as needed for natural shape. You finish by calming the skin, apply aloe or a cold compress, and inspect for stray hairs to trim with small scissors rather than continuing to remove by thread. Once done, avoid heavy makeup or harsh products for at least 24 hours to prevent irritation. If you notice persistent redness, open bumps, or pain, stop immediately. Apply cold and a mild antiseptic, and wait 24 hours before trying again. If swelling or infection appears, seek professional care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.